She looks so big now. Her beak is massive compared to the other birds. I was a bit concerned at first because I thought the beak was going to get smaller, but and she does that thing of the desk as well, where she just bases her feet, stomps her feet left and right. She keeps twitching her wings and everything. It's so cute. The little mannerisms she has, it's just utterly adorable. You're gonna jump, are you? Trying to see if she jumps over to her father or not. You gonna do it? Oh, yep, she's going to, I think. And she's with her dad. Wanting to get fed. She's pretty forceful when she's doing it. Ali isn't really feeding her much anymore. It's mainly turned to his responsibility. But I love what she does. She moves her wing out and like brings the father closer to her with it. It's so cute. Oh, don't worry, sweetie. He'll feed you again soon. He'll feed you again soon, babe. Don't worry. See, he's back. Don't know if he's going to feed you though, because I think normally when he flies away, it's because you're being a bit too forceful. Oh, here we go. He really tries. It's one of the reasons I love Kermit so much is because he really does try and go all out for Emma here. Calm down, sweetie. Calm down, you're going to knock it away. Yeah, you landed on the phone then. Okay, sweetie. I think we're going to end it there. You want the camera to feed you as well. She's just too cute.